Okay, easy now. Remember your training. Don't scare it away. And go. There, got it. No, yes, nearly. Just... Yes! The pug catches his tail. Okay, technically his pug tail isn't big enough, but the crowd go wild. Roar, roar! Your turn.
But cats don't chase tails.
That's the whole point. It's National Dog Day. We have to celebrate with dog games. I know. Let's head to Dogtown and celebrate in style.
Bad idea. Our family, the Kralls, are officially banned from Dogtown on National Dog Day.
But the clock tower incident was years ago. Grandad Krall didn't mean it. But Grandad Krall didn't do anything.
Incident? Clock tower? What did Grandad Krall not do?